Hello and welcome to the third lesson in our series of lectures or lessons on integrating technology into teaching and learning. In today's lesson, we want to start getting acquainted with Google Classroom so we can create Google Class, an online class for the various classes that we teach. And even though later in our series we will be dealing with learning management systems, I want to have this class this early so that you can also become a part of our Google Classroom, where we will upload materials and then start getting yourself acquainted with Google Classroom so you can also create a classroom online for your learners. Now, the first thing to do to get started, just open any of your web browsers and type google.com. Google.com. Now, once it opens, we will go to the top right corner where, all right, so from this place, you can see the about 9 dots there. If you click on that, you will have all the Google apps. So we look for Classroom. Okay, so that is the Classroom, Google Classroom. So we click on that, and then it opens for you. You can also install the app to make things easier for you. So this is what you see for the first time, and I have been a part of other classrooms, and so it is showing. So to create a new classroom, okay, so you can see the app has come that I should install it. So you can install it. While it's installing in the background, let's go. So you can go to the plus sign at the top right corner, this one, and join a class or create a class. So we want to create a class, so I click on create a class. And this is the message that comes: using classroom at a school with students, and you ought to check the box I have read and understand. Then the continue button will be enabled, so you can click on continue. Now here are the details that you must fill for the class name. So let's say integrating technology. The section, you can fill these other details, or if you like you can leave it. Let's say cohort 1. The subject, let's just say technology. You can choose to fill it or leave it. And the room, we can say class 1 and create. So you can have different rooms for each class that you teach. My classroom is created and I have this as the first interface. Now we have stream, classwork, and people. I'm sure you can see streams, classwork, and people. These are the three main aspects of your classroom, and we are going to take them one by one and deal with them. So I would want to pause this first video here and then continue in the next video. So if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe, like, comment, and share so that you can receive more from Tuition Consult. Thank you.